Mass flooding in northwestern Italy has left at least 7 dead in the city of Genoa. A week after torrential storms battered the coast, killing 10, floodwaters raced through the city, lifting up and dumping cars and ripping away the foundations of buildings. The direction of the floodwaters saw dozens of vehicles piled in the streets. Residents were warned to remain indoors, off the ground floor if possible, until the waters had fully subsided. Town authorities have closed public buildings, including schools, until at least Monday so they can be inspected for damage, and have warned that more flooding could follow. A severe weather warning was issued until Sunday evening.